Hey guys, and welcome back to Chatting Breeze. As you can hear, I'm still not 100%. I am trying my damnedest to get rid of this cold, but it's not shifting very easily. So I went to the health shop yesterday and was just like grabbing everything that you can imagine on the shelves to try and speed this up. But anyway, nothing's going to stop me because you can't keep a good girl down. Today I am going to Ikea. Yes, one may think I'm absolutely batshit crazy for going to Ikea when I'm not feeling great. However, I am hoping that because I am going super early and because I am also going on a bank holiday, it might be a bit better because people have 3 days to go to Ikea rather than just 2. I don't know, this is my thinking. However, I will be taking my partner. Don't know if this is a good idea either because he's suffering from jet lag and Ikea's not really where he wants to be. Although he said he would go, I'm not forcing him, okay? I promise you I'm not forcing him. He said that he would go because he needs to get a couple of bits and pieces as well. So yes, Ikea today is the plan, on the agenda. So we're just going to see how this goes. We're just going to rock and roll with it. And this could be a very fast trip, I have a feeling of. I doubt I'll be able to peruse too much, but I will take you guys along for the ride so you can experience all the delights of Ikea. Right, just parked up and we're going to let the fun commence. Even trying to get here was a minefield, I'm not even going to lie, the one that we've had to come to. Anyway, we're going to get moving and grooving and just figure this out. Super handy. So far guys, we have these, which are glass containers with bamboo lids instead of using plastic.
Utensils.
Mm-hmm. In the middle of your table. Back from Ikea, and it's turning out to be a little bit of a miserable day, to be honest with you. It's like rainy and not that great, but I'm going to show you some purchases from Ikea. So this is the stuff that I got, and that, you know, like with Ikea, you go in and you have in mind as to what you're going to get, and then, or you have in mind, should I say, and then, yeah, you end up getting a whole load of other stuff as well, which happened. But anyway, here we go. This is a stainless steel pan, so it's just, I can't even bother to get it out, but basically it's just like this the whole way through, which is supposed to be better for you than the non-stick one, so I've got that. These is what I was looking for. So I wanted some, I've got plastic containers, but the plastic's really not great, especially when you're heating them up in the microwave. So this is what I got now, some glass ones with like the wooden lids, and I got 2 of those. Then I got one of these, which is a top, or is this even gonna, So you put these over a Pyrex or something instead of putting foil or clean film or something. So that is good, I thought. And again, some more cute tiny little jars, which is good because these are really heavy, but these aren't. So I could travel somewhere with those. And then last purchase was a big, deep one of Pyrexes with a lid again. Yeah, pretty happy with those, to be honest with you. They were good purchases. And now I'm gonna get ready because we're gonna head to the gym and we're gonna have a quick little workout sesh because I just feel like I need to move a little bit more. Been a bit static over the last couple of days because I haven't been feeling well. So yeah, gym time it is. Just back from the gym and absolutely cream crackered. I'm not even gonna lie. That really took it out of me. Wasn't a great sesh for me, but it was something at least. Gonna make some dinner, get a shower, then make some dinner, and then just relaxing for the rest of the evening. I think that is the plan. This is what we're cooking up for tonight. We've got some chicken, and then we're going with some rice and, okay, that's, whoa, and some veg. Guys, sorry, that was way too dusty. Not dusty, what on earth do you call it? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Dinner is served. My version, I chose the brown rice. White rice over here, dish. Yum, yum, yum. It's the next day. I didn't manage to finish my vlog off, so I'm going to finish it off now. But basically, after dinner, we just cleared up and then totally chilled out and just relaxed. And I am still in pain. My legs are killing me from that gym session. I'm not even joking. Like, going up and down stairs, sitting, standing is an issue right now. And do I regret it? Maybe a tad, maybe in a very kind of small way, yes I do. But at the same time, the pain kind of feels good. I don't know, weird, right? But yes, I hope that everyone enjoyed this vlog. It was a bit of a weird one, but hopefully, I don't know, brought some light entertainment for you. Guys, until next time, I will speak to you later. Peace out.